Hi guys, this is Bernard here, and I have a mini dash cam which I ordered from Amazon, made by the company Chortau. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Yeah, this company right here. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but it's Chortau. And it's a mini dash cam, pretty small, so this is a first time unboxing. I think when you order this from Amazon, you get a little surprise thank you card in there. And if you were to do that and write an experience or write a review, a short review, you can email that to them and they will give you a hardwire kit. Interesting. Alright, so let's see what's in here. And alright, so we get this first, and I think this is the dash cam itself. Wow, that is very small. That is really small, very compact. That looks good. See that? That looks pretty good. And yes, it comes with a 16 gigabyte memory card in there, so that actually works out perfectly. 16 gigabytes, so you don't have to go out and buy an extra card before you're able to put that there. So okay, that works perfectly. That looks good. Let's see what else is in the box. That we don't need. Alright, it comes with this suction cup, the suction mount right there. And this part, okay, that goes in, slides in right there for the dash cam. Perfect. And you hear that click. Alright, that looks good. Okay. It comes with a 3M sticky tape, just as for those, like if you have a GoPro, that works as well. With the same mount, you could put that on your dashboard or your windshield, but I'm just going to use the suction cup for now. Alright, the car charger, that works. And also comes with a USB cord. Perfect. That works well. Alright, so for the unboxing, I'm actually quite impressed with the size of this thing. Very small, very compact, which is good, because sometimes some companies make some bulky dash cams and it kind of takes up the whole front of your car and you can't see anything. So I'm kind of impressed with how small this is. So next up, I'm gonna set it up and actually see what kind of the video quality of it and how much it can actually capture front and back and stuff like that. Okay, so guys, just look out for that. I'll probably just add it to the same video too, so just look out for that. Alright, thank you very much. Here, Bernard here with a mini dash cam from Chortau. Alright, so I just did an unboxing video and it comes with this in there, so I'll probably show you on the video. You probably didn't be able to see it, but it shows here if you do this and do a review, you can get a free gift, a hardwire kit from them. And the installation of this video is actually very simple. Like if you saw the other video, it showed the different, it comes with a suction cup, USB charger, and a cigarette charger as well. And all I just did was just mount the suction cup right here, connected the USB, and then plugged it right here. So I'm just doing that for a quick review. See how it starts and what happens with it. So turn on my car. It comes on directly like that, and then it starts recording. So it's kind of a wide angle, So I should be able to I'm gonna include this video as well in the Dashcam review, so you can all see how that looks like. But from what I can see here, I mean, the video quality doesn't look that bad. It actually doesn't look that bad. It looks pretty good for now. So I'm gonna add that into the video and then we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, this is the Chortau, I think that's the name, I think that's how you say it, the Chortau mini dash cam from Amazon. It's just under $40. If you go on there, order it. I don't think you're gonna hate this, but it's quite good. I'm probably sure you can put it in any angle, so if you want to even hang it up there or different there, or a little bit lower or direct completely behind your windshield, you can, and that's gonna work out perfectly. Alright guys, if you're interested in ordering this or just want to see what the current prices are online, just click the links below. I have Amazon links. You can just click that. It's gonna go take you directly to Amazon.com. You can see the updated prices of this Chortau mini dash cam. I'm actually quite impressed with it. So it's small. It comes with a 16 gigabyte memory card, so you can't go wrong with that. So you can definitely use this, and it's gonna be able to, you know, be able to record over your videos. It's got like the buttons right here. There we go, for mode and menu. So if you click on menu or the mode, yep, interchanges between recording and taking a picture right there. And then you can zoom in. See that? That zoomed in. So if you wanted to adjust it to take, you know, depending on what you're recording, you can definitely zoom in, zoom out. It's right there. So that's actually a pretty neat feature. I've not seen many dash cams that you can actually do that right away. So guys, just play around with it. Yep. So if you mess around with the zoom in and zoom out, you should be able to adjust it to the perfect angle which you need and stuff like that. So I mean, just with playing around with it. But I'm actually quite impressed with this. That actually silver around. Okay. Alright guys, that's my first impressions video about the Chortau mini dash cam. I think if you get it, you won't go wrong with it. It looks pretty good. And we actually, I mean, for a dash cam that's small in size, very compact, come with a 16 gigabyte memory card, that should probably serve you pretty well for the most part. And it's a very inexpensive. So, you know, unlike some of the dash cams that go for like $80, $100, $200 even, this one for just under 40, this actually is a pretty good deal. Alright guys, this is Bernard. And if you're interested in those links, just click on the Amazon links down below. If you'd like me to do more videos like this, please like this video, subscribe, share it, and then just comment on it if you have any questions. I like to answer the questions on the comments pretty quickly, so just ask any questions, ask away. I'll be able to answer. I like to answer probably within an hour, probably, but if it's at night, the next morning, the first thing. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.